Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's read a question. It says that 2-point charges Q1, which is 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, and Q2, which is minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, are separated by a distance of 60 centimeter in air. Find at what distance from the first charge Q1 would the electric potential be 0, and also calculate the electrostatic potential energy of the system. So now see here that both the charges are of opposite magnitude. Therefore, the point P where the potential is going to be 0 is going to be outside the system of charge. So let here Q1 be placed and here Q2 be placed. Let this be point A, let this be point B. So let us take a point P where the potential is supposed to be 0. So this was given to us as 60 centimeter, and let us take this distance to be x. Okay, so we are assuming that at point P the potential is 0. That means potential because of A and potential because of B at point P is 0. So what's the formula of potential? It is equal to KQ by R. So K Q1 by R1 and K Q2 by R2 is equal to 0. Let's put in the specific values. K Q1 is equal to 10 into 10 to the power of minus 8. R1, that is the distance of Q1 to point P, which is equal to 60 plus x. Right. So it is equal to 60 plus x. And K into minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon the distance is x. It is equal to 0. That means K into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon 60 plus x is equal to K into 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon x. Here I have taken this term to the right hand side, so it got minus got cancelled. Therefore now this term is positive. So cancelling the K here, cancelling this 10 to the power minus 8 here, and I can also take it as 5. So 5x is equal to 60 plus x. That means 4x is equal to 60. That means x is equal to 60 upon 4, which is equal to 15 centimeter. So the point P is at a distance of 60 plus 15, that is 75 centimeter from Q1. So that's our answer for the first part, 75 centimeter. Now the second part, we just have to find out the electrostatic potential energy of the system. And what's the formula for that? We are knowing that U is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R. So putting in the values, the value of K, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 plus 9. Q1 is 10 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Q2 is minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 again. And R is given to us as 60 centimeter. In the SI form, we need it as 0.6. So we are going to calculate it further and we are going to get our answer as minus 300 into 10 to the power of minus 7 joules. Now here one thing, here I have taken the distance in meters, and in the above part I have taken the distance in centimeters. Ideally we should have converted this into meters as well, but here everything was getting cancelled, just the distances were left, and therefore for our convenience we have not converted into meters. Otherwise it is always a good habit to convert all the units into the standard form. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.